So in this video, I'm going to show you how to split a payment on Uber Eats. This is a great way to share the cost with friends or family. So first, open the Uber Eats app and place your order as usual. Once your order is ready, go to the checkout screen. Unfortunately, Uber Eats doesn't currently offer a built-in split payment option. But here's a workaround. Either use Venmo, PayPal, or any other money-sharing apps to split the cost with friends before paying. Simply calculate each other's share, then send or request money, and pay the full amount on the Uber Eats app with your card or any payment method you have. And that's how you can split the payment. It's not directly in the app, but it works well.